Hello and welcome to Creative Nerds. In this Photoshop tutorial, we'll be showing you how you can create a really cool, unique 3D style blur text effect which looks great and is pretty effortless to create the end result. So we want to start off by writing out some text in the middle of our canvas, and then we want to duplicate that layer. Select OK, and then we're going to hide the original layer. And what we're going to do is change the text color to be a different color. So we're going to choose a purple for the tutorial. So select OK once you've chosen your color. Once you're happy with it, we're going to head over to Filter, and we're going to select Blur, Radial Blur, and then we want to select Convert to Smart Object. This will allow us to be able to resize our effect to make it bigger or smaller while still retaining the same quality if we do it as a smart object. And then we want to change the blur method to be zoom, and we want to ensure the quality is the best. And then we want to increase the amount to be about 70, and then select OK. And then if we toggle back on our existing layer, there you go, you created this unique 3D style text effect which you can apply to any sort of design projects in a matter of seconds. Hope this has been a useful tutorial and one that you can use in your own personal projects in the future. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned to Creative Nerds for further quick tips on how to use Photoshop.